After hours of screen use, your eyes keep focusing at close range, while your blink rate often decreases, leaving the eye surface less frequently refreshed. Your eyes are protected by a thin tear film. With fewer blinks, this surface can become less evenly refreshed, causing dryness or irritation. Behind the cornea, your lens continuously adjusts to keep nearby text and images clear while you remain focused on the screen. The focused light reaches your retina, where specialized cells detect the image and begin converting light into electrical signals. The optic nerve carries these signals toward your brain, where visual information is processed into the images you recognize. After long screen sessions, regular breaks and deliberate blinking give your eyes time to refocus and refresh. Your body is working for you every second. Feed it wisely.